These SUYA prawns are ready in 20 minutes and they are mouth-watering. So here I've got some prawns that I've just cleaned and I'm tapping dry. Then it's time to season them with some black pepper, garlic granules, fish seasoning, and also the all-important SUYA spice. I then mix this all into my prawns. To make the marinade, I use SUYA spice and olive oil, so I keep it nice and simple, and this is what we're going to brush on top of our prawns before they go into the oven. Now I've got some skewers, some wooden skewers that I've been soaking for about 30 minutes, and I'm just going to start to place my prawns on them. Make sure you soak your skewers, otherwise they will burn on the grill or in the oven. I tried to make it cute by putting them in opposite directions. Then I'm just going to take that marinade that I just made and spread it on top of my prawns on both sides using a kitchen brush. Take your prawns away and grill them on 170 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes and flip halfway. You don't need to overcook these prawns as they can quickly turn quite rubbery if you do. And just like that, you're done. Beautiful, delicious SUYA prawns. Top it with more SUYA and eat it with some raw red onions for the true authentic taste. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.